I'm Charmy Lord, and this is my friend Jacquie Monda, who, as you know, is a baker extraordinaire. And today we're gonna do a chocolate chip pistachio cookie.
We start with the butter. I'm putting the sticks in here, and we have to soften it. So that's gonna do. And then to that, we're going to add the sugar eventually. And just, you know, this is a typical thing that you do with a cake or cookies, where you're just softening the butter first and then just slowly adding the sugar. I'm going to do that right now. Make sure. I'm so used to using a hand mixer. Not as easy with a...
You mean a stand mixer?
Yeah, stand mixer. Sorry,
this is a hand mixer.
Yeah, this is the hand mixer. I'm used to using the stand. We're going to add our eggs. Remember to keep turning this with the hand. It gets blended together. I'm going to stop this for a second and just scrape down the sides. Remember to always scrape down the sides, even if you're using a stand mixer. Scrape down the sides. Vanilla. Hard, I think.
You want me to help?
Yes. Could you, actually we needed a cup for this, but you can just pour it a little bit at a time. I'm going to add this. That's the baking powder. Keep going. The salt. You can keep adding.
Oops, sorry.
No, that's okay. It all has to go. I'm going to scrape down the sides just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, now pour in the pistachios.
A little bit at a time again.
Turn this down. Yeah, just pour it in. Because as you can see, I ground the pistachios not terribly. I wanted them to be. Some of it is like a powder, and some are in chunks. So it's, you get the flavor of the pistachio in the. Turning this up higher so it moves more. And. You want the flavor in the actual cookie of the pistachios. And last, we're going to add the chocolate chip.
Wow, it really is getting thick.
Yeah, it's very thick. Go ahead.
Now, don't you wish you had your stand mixer?
I know. This is an experience for me. I haven't done this in so many years. But the KitchenAid is always the best. Go on. Go ahead. As you can see, I love a lot of flavors, so there's a lot of chocolate chips and there's a lot of pistachios.
I'm okay with that.
I'm not, you know, joking with this, so. Okay,
Well, that's it,
go.
right?
That's it. We're going to just clean this up, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about half an hour, and then we'll just. You're flattening them out like this so that they keep their shape. You want them to cook as evenly as possible.
Okay.
This is a little bit handy.
They're still pretty warm. This is how I like my cookies, crunchy. And all those pistachios.